Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So let's keep going.
So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing my video. So you will get something new from here. Of course, that's why I'm making this video. So let's start. Don't forget to take notes, don't forget to try it on, practice and practice. So let's start. We're gonna open $500 positions. Now let's add the currency pairs right away that have the highest payout, of course. I'm gonna open position according to the trend direction, and consequently we'll select the trend indicator. It's gonna be the alligator. By using this indicator, it's really handy to open positions according to the trend, not when there's a flag. So let's start. Now I'm gonna show and explain to you the example of opening. Let's see if there is dynamics on the currency pairs. It would be better to see less flat situations. So I already see a good sharp movement on the chart, and I guess we'll keep this currency pairs. Yeah, that's fine. So we're not gonna drag this out any longer and find the most promising trade entry, guys. Find the best currency pair for us. So I guess here we're gonna open short position, as you can see. So I'll explain the principle of the trade entry. We're gonna open positions considering the pullbacks. Early on, we saw the ascending directions here, then the resistance zone played out, the price started going down, and now we take a look at this zone in more detail. We see that all the indicators moving average is facing downwards. Also, this upper zone played out, and in the first case, we see these little corrections after which the price goes down. And in the second one, we see the small correction or pullback, and then the price movement should go down following the downtrend. That's why we open the short positions here. I think we'll see the breakdown right at the end, and the position will be closed with a profit. Okay, 3 seconds left. And yep, the first position is on profits. That's nice. Like I said, good trade entry, good timing. We played out on the pullback. Basically, this trade entry is successful, and I hope our future trades are gonna be the same because of our tradition, which means first position is in profit, every position is in profit. So let's continue. We're not gonna slow it down here and find the next currency pair for the most promising trade entry, right? We're looking for the good payout percent. So and I guess we also open a short position here, selecting the workspace. Okay, definitely good dynamics on the market. We see that the indicators jaws are open, right? Okay, and the price movement goes to the downside. Then we take a look at the following zone. We see a small correction here, and after this correction the price should continue moving down following the downtrend. Again, we've chosen the pullback moment. The correction is over. That's why we open the short position here. I already see the candle breaking down. A good timing of trade opening. The resistance zone played out, and I think the movement should also be to the downside. Let me just correct the monitor a bit. So 10 seconds left. We close to our profit, and 3, 2, 1. Like I said, guys, we are in a profit. So, oh no, it's ended up at 0. Okay, but it's okay. We saw strong dynamics from the last candle and we end up with 0, but it's fine. Sometimes it's happening. Okay, I thought it's gonna be profit. This is trading, and we cannot escape losses all the time. But in our case, we didn't lose anything, and there is no stopping here. Let's move on. Our tradition beat crappy. Okay, so let's fix this. Let's open here long position. We see strong ascending dynamics here. We select the workspace, and all the moving averages of indicator are facing upwards. As you can see, the alligator's jaw is widely opened. After this correction, we have the strong ascending dynamics. Despite candles low volatility, we see the good movement. That's why right after the pullback, we open the long position according to the uptrend, of course. While using this indicator, keep in mind, guys, you should always open positions according to the trend, because the alligator is the trend indicator, you know. So let's remember that, keep this in mind, and never forget. Good level of our position. There's literally several seconds left before the trade end, and our position in a profit, like always. So another 100% signal played out perfectly. I think you already understood the principle of work with the strategy. The strategy is not really complicated, guys. Even beginners in the trading can easily handle it, and we're not gonna slow it down here and select the next currency pair. So let's continue our trading and open short position. I'll explain the principle of entry, of course. Note that we open considering the trend. Here the sideways movement prevails. We see the flat rate's okay. It's already basically, we observe the downtrend here. We see a little flat here, right this zone. And I assume that this is some kind of correction here, an accumulation stage, you know, and eventually the breakdown should happen, because previously we saw the correction from the green candle. And I think the price should go down. That's why we opened the short position. So there's 18, 17 seconds left, so fast. Okay, left before the climax. The breakdown has already happened. We see good level. Nice, and I guess this position should end up in profits too. 5 seconds left, and yep, like I said, position is in profit. That's nice, that's good. Again, we open according to the trend after the correction, and again we see the result. You see the result by yourself. So the result is plain to see. We started with almost 1,500, but now we close to 3,000 on our balance, and there's no stopping here, guys. Find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry, looking for the good payout trade, and looking for the pullback, guys. A little bit different principle of trade entry here. We see that the crossing of the indicators moving average did happen, and it tells us that there's gonna be a strong uptrend. Early on we saw the correction, then the update, strong update. Let me just point out. So here's the correction, then update for local bottom points in these zones, and I'll point them out for you. This one, and this one. Okay, and after this the price should also go up. That's why we opened the long position, guys, according to the trend direction. So the principle of trade entry is a little bit different, like I said, but the result you will see by yourself. So everything is okay. I guess we would see the breakdown in the last seconds, and the position would be closed with a profit. Pretty easy, as simple as that, guys. So I was a little tensely. The position has been closed almost at the level of opening, but further you see the breakdown. I didn't come up with anything. The breakdown did happen anyway, and the position is in profits. So we're not gonna slow down here. We open a couple of trades in order to solidify this result. If you didn't get anything, and for this We're changing the concept pair for the most profitable trade entry, right? And don't forget about a payout. So here's the flat so far. What do we have on this concept pair? Let's open short position here, selecting the workspace for you. So early on we observed a strong ascending dynamics, then the uptrend, the trend reversal takes place, and the price goes down. And let's take a look at this zone in more detail. Here's the sideways movement, definitely a flat prevails, but we see small descending dynamics, low candles volatility. We see the small pullback, after which the price should go down. We also see the reversal of the moving averages to the downside. That's why we open the short position, and we already see the breakdown. Good level of opening, nice. And as we see low volatility here, I guess even if the green candle shows up like now, it couldn't reach the level of our trade entry. And yes, we are in the profits again. Let's continue our trading session and open our final trade, and then withdraw the money, I suppose. So let's find it. The last. Okay, what do we have? Market now. Let me just see the best of the best. I like this concept pair, and I guess I should open the short position here. I'll explain why. Of course, despite our moving averages are reversing to the downside, but I guess here the resistance zone should play out. I'm sorry, the update of the local low, the local maximum did happen, and hence the price movement should go to the downside, at least to this support level. Now the flat situation prevails, and the support zone doing great. The local minimum doesn't update, and the price should go down. We played in advance here, and how much seconds left? For now it's 16 seconds left before the closing, and in the last seconds I guess we're likely to see the breakdown, and the position should end up in profits like always. And 3 seconds left. Come on, the last one. Pretty easy. Our final trade is in profits. We got $4,197 on our balance. Great result considering the fact that we started with $1,500. Let's try. Let's finally move to the withdrawal. Not trying, we're making it. Let's withdraw. Yeah, $3,197. Okay, to keep the exact amount on the balance, press the continue button, and that's it. Our transaction is processing. I'll attach the screenshot at the end of the video. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget about the YouTube, likes, comments, and subscriptions, and Telegram channel, of course. Waiting for you. There's a lot of information on my Telegram channel. There's a lot of signals. So bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.